If you've come across creditmycart.com promising a £750 Tesco voucher or a similar shopping reward, you're probably wondering if it's actually legit. After looking into the website, I'd recommend being very cautious. The biggest concern is that the site is extremely new, has very little online history, and hides its ownership details. While it does use HTTPS encryption, that alone doesn't prove a website is trustworthy. Independent website safety checkers have also given creditmycart.com a very low trust score because of several red flags, including its young domain age and lack of transparency. Another thing I noticed is that the offer seems designed to get users to complete surveys or promotional tasks before claiming the reward. In many cases, sites like this collect personal information or redirect users to third-party offers without guaranteeing you'll ever receive the promised gift card. So, is creditmycart.com safe? Based on the available information, I wouldn't trust it with my personal or payment details. If an offer sounds too good to be true, it's always worth double-checking before clicking.